powerful magnets, MagSafe compatibility, 3-in-1 charging hub, you are in for a treat today. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a few accessories that I use with my everyday carry, and I've been testing out these items for the last couple weeks. But just for my moral ethics, I just want to share with you that these items were sent to me free of cost by MagBak, but the review that I will be sharing with you guys here today will be my unbiased review of their accessories. Hi, my name is Alex Robinson and I do tech and lifestyle videos. So if you're into that, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first we're going to take a look at the MagBak clear case, which I have had a bunch of fun using this case over the last couple weeks. Here I am rocking the clear case. As I mentioned, this case offers 360 protection and a 6 feet drop protection with 22 embedded magnets, supports wireless charging, and also is MagSafe compatible, and according to MagBak has the world's thinnest car mount. But the biggest standout feature of this case to me are the magnets, and I've had a bunch of fun using this case to magnetize to many different surfaces that actually allow it. So whether it is like in some weird places like under the car, I've done on the car itself, also even on the garage door, on your kitchen door. So if you want to shoot content for yourself and really don't have anyone, this case allows you to be able to give a different perspective. And as I mentioned, these magnets are extremely strong. So this is what happened. I was recording some content around 2 miles away at the park, and I had my phone with me and I just rested on top of the car. And once I was finished recording, I jumped back in the car, drive all the way home. And as I stepped out of the car, I'm like, isn't that my phone that is still on top of the car? So I have the MagBak case on my phone along with the card holder attached to the back with multiple cards in the case at the back of my phone with the protector, with the screen case, with the phone case on. And look, I'm not even kidding you guys, just look, just look at this. I can't even make this up. This is how strong this is. This is how strong the magnet is. Look, just look. Now that kind of leads me over to the multifunctional leather Napa wallet, and this is something that I've never really thought about using for myself. I'm always a guy that likes to throw like my cards inside of my wallet, but since I've been using this, or since I received this item, I had to test it out. So this case, as you can see from the video that I just showed you, actually had, and let me just hide my cards here, actually had 8 cards in my in this leather case, and these cards could be separated in 2 sections. So you could have one section to place your cash in, or the other section which has like a small divider in between where you're able to place your cards in, and you're easily able to access your cards. So having this clamped onto the back of your phone, whenever you're ready to use it, you could just use your finger or something like this and slide your cards out. And I must say, like, this thing just allows a bunch of usage when it comes onto my phone, especially sometimes I'm using my phone at night and I have like the phone up like this, and sometimes when your hands get quite slippery, the phone may fall out. But because of this little section here at the back, you could put your finger in, and if your phone slips out of your hand, this will be able to hold up your phone. So I definitely enjoy that feature of the MagBak. And along with that, I've also been using the wallet as a stand, which could be used in two modes. So you could use it in portrait mode along with landscape mode. So this company thought about just different creative ways in which you could utilize the accessories that you have. So if you're a content creator or you are a solo shooter, having these features to walk around with on an everyday use just makes it easier for you to get the content or photos or whatever the case is that you do on a regular basis. And last but not least, we have the 3-in-1 charging station. So as I mentioned, I do use this to go with my everyday carry items, and this is what charges my AirPods Pro along with my Apple Watch along with my iPhone. And this is just something that is quite lightweight and compact, does support fast wireless charging. I also love this gray color that kind of matches my mood some of the times, gives that minimalistic sleek look. I do like this. It matches with most of my other accessories that I have here in my apartment. So this is what really and truly charges my phone. I just use it, especially at night. You could just throw this on, throw all of your devices on this, and then in the morning they're all charged and you're able to just go on with your day. Now, there's just one more thing that I want to highlight to you guys while I was doing this review, just to be fully transparent with you guys on this community. So when I was using the MagBak wallet as a portrait stand with my phone, sometimes it takes a while to actually get the wallet to stand up with your phone, well, to have them properly balanced together as a stand. But if you use this for a couple of times, it becomes easier and you're able to find like that groove where you just place the wallet alongside your phone and it stands perfectly. So I just wanted to point out that to you guys. Now, thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. I truly appreciate the love and support that I've been getting from this YouTube community. And for those of you who made it to the end of this video, and I forgot to mention this all along, but the links to all of these items are listed in the description down below. And for you, those of you, I've also made provision for a discount code that you guys could get these items at a discount code also in the description down below. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out, God bless, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.